have those days where, you are making an effort to declutter your life and get and stay organized, and then you just have a day where kind of everything sort of doesn't go your way? You're exhausted, you're overwhelmed, you're frustrated, and then the clutter starts to creep up and you just feel like you're failing at everything. That's okay. That is totally normal. We all have times when, instead of taking those steps forward that we're working so hard to achieve, and we're doing all the steps, and instead of taking those steps forward, you somehow get thrown back like 1 to 10 notches, and you're thinking, what am I doing wrong? And it gets so frustrating, and that's the time when you feel like you want to give up. But that's the time when you can take a break. You can do something that's really fun for you. You can get yourself into a more positive mind frame, and then you get back and you keep doing what you're trying to achieve. The whole goal is to just never give up. You can take mini breaks. You can go and do something that makes you feel loved and happy and joyful. But then you get back on and you keep doing it, because the key to getting and staying organized is consistency. It's okay if you slack off sometimes. It's okay if life gets in the way and you get a little bit more disorganized. That is totally okay. But the key to getting and staying as organized as you want is consistency. That's when the real changes start happening. That's when you start seeing the continued positive results, and you deserve it and you're worth it. Like, comment, and if you're ready to get and stay organized, learn how to do it, and learn how to keep doing it long after you and I have stopped working together, let's talk.